Today's video is sponsored by Simplisafe. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. If you saw the last video, you know I was working on this beautiful cherry log right here. I almost have it done and it's absolutely fantastic. Beautiful lumber. These ones here are, let's see. These ones here, about 7 inches wide. This is 4/4. Over here in this pile, I've got 8 4/4 boards, 13 inches wide. Clear as a bell, beautiful, beautiful stuff. So right here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards sawn right now. But if you watched that last video, I was talking about how important it is to center that pith. We'll see how good I did. I am 1.25 inches down. We'll go over the other side. Inch and a quarter. It's right there. Hopefully the rain holds off. I hear some thunder off in the distance. It's just been kind of hit and miss. But what I'm going to do this evening is finish up this log right here. But first, I need to run daughter Eva over to the gym. All right, Eva's headed over to the gym.
Yep.
And the Jeep's in the garage, the house. So I said, you can drive my truck. She wasn't a big fan. You think it's too big?
Yeah, I don't like it.
But by the time we get over there, when we get over there, I'm going to ask you which ride's better, the truck or the Jeep. And I already know the answer to that. All right?
Okay.
We're less than a month out from Eva taking her driver's test. Pretty exciting. And that's good because that's right when Hannah's getting married.
Yeah.
And Hannah usually runs her to the gym or wherever. So earlier today I was running the sawmill and I got a call from Levi. And he's off for 2 weeks because they just had a baby. And he was trying to get his grass cut. And with all that rain we had, he found a soft spot today. But I had given him that old bad boy mower, if you remember that bad boy that I used to have. So he kind of buried it in the mud. So I took the sidekick down through the woods, pulled him out, And we just went by his place. He's push mowing that spot, that bad spot with the push mower now. Those zero turns, they can just, they find soft spots. They do. Eva, we're doing a little jerking around here.
I don't know why these brakes are so sensitive.
The brakes are definitely more sensitive on the F-150 than the Jeep. So I am by no means a driving instructor, but what I have been trying to drive home to Eva is defensive driving. Pay attention to what the other guy's doing. You know, she's a good driver. She can drive on all these back roads and around bends, and she stays on her side of the road, and she stops in the right places and looks both ways a couple times. But it's those other people that you have to watch out for, because sometimes people just aren't paying attention. Pull out in front of you, drift over in your lane. Got to be very, very careful. All right, Eva, which drives better?
The truck, but the brakes on this are a lot more sensitive, and I don't like that.
What about the steering?
I think it's fine. I like the steering better than the Jeep.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit squirrely, the Jeep.
Yeah.
I noticed that the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very loose.
All right, well, what time are you done? About an hour?
No, I'm working out after, so 7:30.
All right, we'll see you later on. Check that out. I don't know if you can see all that. Thousands and thousands of tons of stone over there. It's an asphalt plant. I like just looking at it. I'll tell you what, we are really fortunate and really blessed with the kids that we have. We have good kids. We never had any real troubles with any of them. I think a lot of that has to do with Hunter, our oldest son. You know, he has autism, nonverbal, and all our kids grew up with that. And all of them were just a little bit more responsible than I think most kids their age. But yeah, they're all turning out great. And Eva's a hoot. And what I like about Eva is she's not embarrassed of her parents. A lot of kids get that way. You know, she'll be with her friends or whatever and FaceTime us and laugh and carry on. And you can joke around, and she enjoys it and we enjoy it. But yeah, she's a good kid, good spirit about her, and always has a real positive attitude. So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by Simplisafe, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with Simplisafe, it's an incredibly effective, very easy to use security system for your home, and installation is a breeze. We've had our system now for about 2 years, I think. Works flawlessly. When I first installed that system, I had it up and running in a single evening, and we use it all the time. Like when you went for a hike earlier today, I was down at the Sawmill. She went down to Levi and Kate's. So technically we're here, but
we're not
she's,
right here.
yeah, you're, what is it down there? 1,500, 2,000 feet. I'm down at the Sawmill. Anything could be happening at the house, and the Simplisafe just gives us peace of mind. We'll get a notification from the doorbell cam that the mail lady was here, or FedEx, and we also get some other good footage from the
yeah, we sure do. Our kids.
Yeah.
Our kids provide pure entertainment with that doorbell.
One day, Hannah and Eva went to get a king-size mattress, and they took my truck. I didn't know, which is fine, but it has the tonneau cover on it, and it's half folded up. And they put a king-size mattress over the top of the bed. She somehow strapped it all in really well. It wasn't going to fall out of the truck, but they pulled in here, and they're trying to wrestle it out of the truck. It falls over, and the whole thing was recorded on the camera there. And then the other one was, the plastic water jugs. We have a water service just for one
5-gallon jug.
Yeah.
I just put them out on the driveway where he backs up, exchanges them. But Mike's truck was parked here, and Hannah was taking Hunter, and Hunter had to step over the jugs to get in the truck.
He doesn't say anything because he doesn't talk. He gets in the truck.
She gets in and just cuts it, and they were like dominoes.
Yeah, and you could hear it too, like banging. Yeah. But no, Simplisafe, we love the system. We really do. And just so you know, we do probably 2 or 3 sponsored videos a month. And we get offers from companies every single day. That's the truth. And we turn down 99.9% of them because it's either something that we don't use, it wouldn't be a good fit for our channel, or I don't think it's of good quality. And Simplisafe is top notch. It really is. To to have an electronic thing like that has been glitch free for 2 years is pretty impressive. It really is. And so we once again want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. They've been a great partner, and if you want more information, there will be a link in the description. We highly recommend Simplisafe.
Check it
but
out.
Right now I'm going to head back down to the sawmill. You're going to do a little workout.
Yeah, and it's a hot, humid day. Just standing here, I'm sweating. So if I maybe just sit out here, I'll sweat enough.
I told them earlier about it being hot, and I said we'll get those comments from the guys down south. You don't know what hot is, but it's just so muggy. It's about 85, 87 degrees and humid.
Real thick. And
there's some storms just to the north. And every time we get one of those storms, I keep thinking it's going to knock the humidity out, but it doesn't.
It doesn't.
It just
makes it worse.
It does. It makes it worse. But maybe in a little bit.
I pulled my Jeep out of the garage a half hour ago, and I get over here in the driveway, and all the windows were steamed.
All fogged over, yeah.
Yeah, at first I'm like, where's the smoke coming from? And then I realized that quick, from boom to boom, that the windows just steamed up.
When I get out of the excavator, if my reading glasses on, as soon as I get out, poof, you can't see a thing.
Yeah.
But maybe in a little bit, I'm going to get down and finish up that log before it rains.
Okay.
And then if you come down, you can bring the sidekick, or you can even bring the excavator up.
All right.
That'll be some. I'll pull it in the garage, though.
Yeah, you better.
All right.
Thanks.
I love this sawdust from the cherry. So you can see I'm getting real close to the center here. Just starting to get into a few little knots here. When you're done sawing, you have to take the tension off the blade. And you know how many times I've gone up to the house and forgot about it and have come back down at dark taking care of that. All right, I got these two live edge. They're 4/4, about 17 inches wide at this end, about 14 at that end, 10 footers. And then I've got 8 that are 13 inches wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are 7 inches wide. And then I've got 3 about 3.5 inches wide. I'll tally that up and put that in the video right now. I did pretty good at getting everything I could out of this. Here's the center of that log right there. I could get one more right there. It'd only be about 3 inches wide, but I'll just use this for cribbing. This center here will crack and check, but it'll work good for stacking lumber on or whatever. All right, here comes the excavator operator. But look at this. I got all this out of that one log.
Oh, that's pretty.
Beautiful cherry. What's that?
Look how dark this is.
Yeah, that got a little bit, I ran the water a little heavier on that one. That's why it looks like that. But it's beautiful stuff.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to tally it all up. But yeah, that was a great log. I think it was the best one that I ever put on the mill, as far as cherry goes, for sure.
Right. Good. That's exciting. Okay.
Well, you ready for this?
Let's hope this goes well.
It'll be fine.
All right.
Storms are coming.
I know. Let's go. Okay. Gotta put this down. Whew. All right, here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, it's going jerky because he said if you go slow, it'll go jerky. There.
So last night we got rained out again. As soon as Melissa got up to the house in the excavator, it started pouring. It's been doing that about every 6 to 8 hours, but this morning it does seem to be a little bit cooler, not as much humidity. But anyway, out of that one cherry log, I got 165 board feet of lumber, and I'm saying it's going to be worth about $5 a board foot once it's dry, so that would be $825, which isn't too bad at all. I mentioned the other day we are going to start selling some lumber as soon as I build some inventory. Good stuff, you know, good cherry, walnut, oak, things like that. With a manual mill, I don't think I could really make any money, you know, sawing softwoods. But with the good hardwoods, I think I could do all right. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I want to thank Simplisafe for sponsoring today's video. And don't forget, if you're interested in that, there will be a link in the description. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.